Hi, guess what? We have a product unpackaging today. So I got this handheld steam cleaner. I'm going to be unpacking it and testing it out. So I am gonna make a mess on my countertop and let it dry, and then I'm going to unpack and assemble this handheld steamer and put it to the test to see how well it really works. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have the Comfort a Day handheld steam cleaner with safety lock button. It comes with 14 different pieces. I ordered this one from walmart.com. I will leave a link below in the description box. First thing out is the extended connecting spray. Next is the window door cleaning tool and the small spray cup round brush. Window door cleaning tool is in the middle there. The long spray nozzle is what I just took out that looked like a cone. And the little curved piece is the bent spray cup. You have your funnel there in the bottom right center and the measuring cup. That is to put your water in, to put it into the steamer. And here's the handheld steamer. It has a rotating nozzle, locking latch, that's the reservoir to put the water in, and on the top it gives you instructions about the steam. It is a 3-pronged plug, so make sure you have an adapter if you need one. Alright, so it comes with this very cool safety manual. Sorry, the words are inverted, but that's okay. This voiceover should help a little with that. Alright, so now we're going to assemble it. We are putting on the long nozzle spray. It has the grooves that line up that you turn and lock it to place. Alright, now we're going to take the reservoir cap off, our safety cap, and we are going to add our water using the funnel. Voila, water magic. Alright, so right now I am filling up the reservoir with water so that we can get this thing working. Alright, I'll replace that top. Make sure it is secure, not overly tightened. Alright, good to go. Alright, so our mess we created earlier is now partially dry. Alright, so as you can see where I pointed, it has hardened, so with a regular sponge you would have to be scrubbing a little bit. So with this steamer, there should be no scrubbing. Alright, so I'm getting it plugged in. It had a really nice long cord, which was great. And that indicator light will turn off to let us know that it is ready. So just waiting for the indicator light to turn off. And that'll let us know when it is ready to be used. That means the water is heated in the reservoir and the steam is ready to go. So there you can see some steam coming out. The light is off, and we're gonna start steaming. This is really high pressure. You will notice immediately like the amount of pressure that is coming out of the reservoir onto the or out of the nozzle onto the countertop. I saw that it immediately started cleaning. However, the pressure is so high that I have a backsplash that you actually cannot see, that a lot of the condiments that I put on the counter, they were actually like getting shot back there. So I ended up having like a bit of a mess that I need to clean up. So here you can see it is doing a very good job removing the hardened condiments that were on this granite countertop. It's absolutely safe for granite countertops. I am going to go back over that. I am going to at this time grab a paper towel or a few paper towels and wipe. All right, so not only is this steam cleaner good for removing hardened material off of spaces, but it also can sanitize. So you will see me here. I wipe off any of the excess food products, waste products, and then I go back and sanitize, and that is to remove any bacteria, dirt, anything that we don't want on there. All right, so I'm gonna do a cleanliness test with this white rag and see how much is left. Okay, not bad. So we got pretty clean. The thing works. However, I have a little bit of a mess to clean up because the pressure of the steam shot a lot of the condiments that I used to my backsplash. So probably shouldn't have used so much. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so that was kind of fun. First, go ahead and subscribe if this product unpacking review and use was helpful to you. I will leave the link to the actual product below in the description box. Yeah, that was kind of fun. So I was able to make a mess and clean it up, which was nice. Out of 5 stars, I would have to give this a 4.5, simply because once the product was plugged in, there is no on or off switch, so you kind of have to wait for the indicator light to come on, and it makes a bit of a hissing noise. So I didn't know if I maybe had the top screwed on too tight, so it gives you like a pressure cooker type hissing sound. So that was a little unnerving, but it worked out and it didn't explode or anything like that. So if the instructions had included a little more guidance on how much to tighten the cap on the refill receptacle whole thing, that would have been helpful, and maybe warned you about the hissing sound. So other than that, yeah, definitely 4 to 4.5 stars out of 5. This review will also be on Amazon, and if you have not followed my Amazon shop, the link is below in the description box as well. I will add this as a recommended product. All right, take care. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.